Good morning. Just a quick tip for you today. What we're doing is we're putting those downpipes back onto these walls because they've just been texture coated, and I'll show you down here. So the whole house has just been retexture coated and they were taken off. So I'm just going to show you a quick little trick that makes it a lot easier to do. So let's get to it. So quickly dealing with what we've got there, because once you texture coat or you plaster, you actually make this wall a bit thicker. These go back a little bit. Kind of helps just give it a little bit of a chip away with the screwdriver. I mean, if you've got an old chisel, you can do that. So we're doing this. And the guy who originally did these obviously squished the elbows. That wasn't me. But I'm not going to cry about it because it will actually make my job easier. So when we're putting it in, we're going to grab our downpipe. Now, what we do, we can do it with either a chisel or a screwdriver. We're just going to put it, see how that moves up and down? So if I'm trying to put it in, it won't go in. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my little screwdriver, pull this down and put it in behind and just push forward slightly, which just holds it in place until I get my elbow in. And then I'm just doing this on the side. I'm just putting it in the hardy flex, pushing forward to hold it there, and I'm just going to wriggle it up because I don't want that elbow to go up too high. Okay? And then I'm going to have to bring that just down to there. And here I have to touch that up with some no more gaps, because as you can see, because the walls come out 10 mil, this isn't actually as big. So we're just going to butt it up against the hardy flex rather than have it go through. So there you go, quick little method. We'll put a little bit of Sally's no more gaps around there to save you having to take tiles off and trying to get everything off the roof in order to get that push down. Just put that screwdriver in behind. Alright, I hope this tip helped you, and I will see you on the next video.